Bramble. 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 Hi everybody, well we're finally back down on the foreshore. We've had quite a few ups and downs in the last few months. We've not been able to get out. We've had storms, we've had computer failures, we've had illness, but we're back now, and hopefully today we're going to find some good stuff. You can see Bramble there, she's loving it already. Say hello, Bramble. Oh, if you could see her, she's absolutely covered in mud. So it's a bit chilly today, so you'll need your woolly hats and gloves and your wellies. So go and grab those and come and join us. Let's go. You can see in just a few months how the foreshore's changed. You know, you can see the line of the river swung out, showing more foreshore. It's interesting how it does change. The last time we came down, I couldn't walk out this far. It's fascinating how the weather changes. You know, the look of the foreshore. It's great seeing the dog squad back on the beach, enjoying themselves. And you know, I've just pointed this at Billy and something's caught just out the corner of my eye. Look at this here. Can you see it? Here, look. It's a pipe stem. What a great find. I'll put that down to Billy. Give it a rinse. Look at that. I just thought I'd show you Billy running about, and just out the corner of my eye I saw this sticking up. It's quite modern, I say modern, probably 18th, 19th century, because it's got the larger pipe bowl, but it's got the heel on the bottom where it would stand up. What a fantastic find. I've just seen something under the water. I can make out what it is. I don't know if you can see it. It's just about there. I'll go down to it. It looks like an ink bottle. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just grab that. Look at that. It's a sheer neck ink bottle. A lovely pattern around it though. Sort of fluted. That is brilliant. It's empty the water. I don't know, Bramble's not interested. What do you reckon, guys? Our first find? No? Not that good? Okay. Well, I think it's good. I hope you guys do as well. What a fantastic. Look at the neck, how the neck's sort of bent off to one side. How interesting. Oh, wow. Good stuff. Bramble's found herself a piece of seaweed that she's chomping on. I think Billy's interested in having a go, but I don't think she's going to give him a piece. Oh, look at the state, look at the colour of her. She's just covered in mud. Bramble, you mucky pup. Where's he gone? I don't know. I spy with my little eye. Can you spot it? Can you spot it? Here we are. Another bottle. Wow, that's a good find. I like that. It's a beauty. I'll just show you the scenery. What a fantastic day. It's a bit cold. And apparently it's the last of the nice days. Gotta go wet again and cold. But I can stand this. When I saw this sticking up, I thought, oh, please be a full bottle, please be a full bottle. But I don't think it is. And I looked at that, it's just half. It isn't good. But, just look here, sticking out next to it. See if I can dig it out. Oh, blimey, that's in tight. How long has this been here? Oh, come on out. There we go. Let's give it a rinse. That's a tiny little bottle, isn't it? A good clean. Give it a good rinse. What about this Bramble? There we go. What a fantastic little bottle that is. The bank in here has been smashed to pieces. You can see how much it's been cut back. I used to walk down here and just drop off the edge. The storms we've had and the tides we've been having just decimated the banking. But that could be good, because it could have revealed some things. Just looking here, you can see sort of a layer of, looks like rust, like iron deposits. I don't know what that is, whether that's just leaching out of the soil, or whether it's where it's been dumped. Not sure. Is that a bottle down there? Can you see it there? Give it a root about. Oh, that's. Look at that. Yeah. How cool is that? A tincture bottle. A lovely little find, just lying there. Just happened to glance down and see it. Fantastic. How cool is that? Look at that Bramble. What do you reckon? Any good? Yeah, what do we drink? Nothing in it. Look what I've just dug up. It's some sort of collection jar. But even more exciting, look what's here. Can you see? Some sort of sauce jar. That one come out. It's coming. There we go. Quite modern, they've got the screw tops, but still interesting to find. Just lying there. Fantastic things. Little bits of history embedded in the sand. And what's in those? There's no writing on them, so it's hard to tell. Maybe some sort of sauce bottles. That's brilliant. There's three things lying next to each other. History. I don't take everything I find on the foreshore. I sometimes think it could be a bit greedy, just picking up every bottle I find. So I do leave things. I know some of the local children come down here looking for things, so it's nice to leave them some things to find. Well, fantastic day. I wasn't sure we'd find anything. I'm just looking around now. Every time I stop I see something. It's fantastic. Let me just show you Billy there with his stick. Can you see him? Billy's there with his stick. Grab his stick. Go on, Bill. Oh, there he goes. I love getting out with the dog squad. They absolutely love it. It's so peaceful out here. There's Bramble. Ah, here she is. Hello, Bramble Bubs. Oop. And there's Bill. Say hello, Bill. He's looking at the stick down here. Just looking at all the different birds. There's redshanks, oyster catchers, egrets, and a lot of seagulls. But here's a thought for you. Because these birds are flying over the bay, does that make them bagels rather than seagulls? Sorry about the joke, guys. They used to call redshanks wardens of the marshes, because redshanks are usually the first birds that take flight when there's any disturbance, and they have a very sort of high-pitched whistle as they take off, very distinctive. And it's lovely to see them down here. It shows how shallow the water is, that they're wading out so far. I think when it gets a bit warmer we'll try and get out here a little bit. Got to watch out for quicksand though. But we'll get out there. I can see something right out there, just on the sand. Worth investigating. A later date. I'm certainly not going in the water today because it is freezing. I've just had to warm my fingers up because they're not working the screen on my phone. They're too cold. You can actually see a bit of a line here where the depth changes. What a fantastic day. Pleasure to be out. And it's even bigger pleasure to be out with these two ragamuffins. And there's Billy. These rocky parts are always good to have a good nosy round. The big boulders act like traps. As the tide goes out, things get sort of deposited behind them. So it's always worth spending a little bit of time just having a mooch, keeping your eyes peeled, seeing what turns up. Often you'll see the neck of a bottle just buried in the sand, and you think, oh wow, a bottle, and then you go over and it's just the neck, it's been broken off. But still a find, it's still a piece of history. It just gets your blood pumping a little bit when you see it. Can't see anything here though. But we've not had a bad morning. We've only come out for a quick walk. The dogs have loved it. We found a few things, and I hope everybody watching's enjoyed it as well. It's great to be back out. Really missed it. Hoping it's not too cold for you. It's not too cold for Billy. On Bramble, they're loving it. And if you do enjoy watching our videos, please press subscribe and like them. We really do enjoy making them. We love coming out with the dog squad, but they do take a bit of time to make. But if people are enjoying them, then it's worth it. And I do enjoy seeing the sort of the finished product. And it's nice seeing people's comments, and it's always good seeing a like, somebody's big thumb saying they like it. And we'll keep making them as long as people want to see them. We'll keep making them because, like I said, we do enjoy them. Bramble has just found the mud. Look at the state of her paws. Oh, the car is going to be filthy. Bramble, you mucky pup. Don't need to wag your tail. She says it's okay, Dad, you'll clean me off. Where have you gone? There we go. That for a face. That cheeky face. Bramble, come! Come on! I can't remember if I've shown you these before, but the big concrete blocks down here with the spikes sticking out, they're anti-invasion spikes from the Second World War. I'm not sure where they've come from, but they've been used as coastal erosion defences now. History just lying there. Could have been to stop gliders coming in, they could have been to stop landing craft coming in on beaches, don't know. It's interesting to see. everybody, welcome back to Dog Squad HQ. Here's Billy. Say hello, Billy. Hello everybody. It was great you could join us again today. We really enjoyed it. It was a bit nippy, but we had some good finds and we really enjoyed getting out again. The last few months have been a bit tricky. I've had a bit of a dodgy leg and the weather's not been kind. We've had some bad storms. We've not really been able to get out. Plus the computer broke twice and the software I use for making the videos stopped working, so it's sort of been one calamity after another. But thank you for sticking with us, and I hope you enjoyed getting out with us again today. We will be doing some more. The weather's fining up now. We're getting into spring. It's lovely seeing the flowers coming out, and the Dog Squad are going to be coming out as well. They enjoyed the swimming. So thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Stay safe, guys.